Hey guys, how's it going? I'm back! Holy what is good? Look at me, still in the neck brace. I still got a long way to go with this. I'm healing though. I've been back to work. I've been getting the car ready for the dyno. I'm going to the dyno next week, so that is going to be super sick. I haven't filmed much because I've been just concentrating on healing and getting the car done when I have energy. What I found out is my turbo is blown. I completely took everything apart, looked over everything because I knew the last drift event was hard on everything. So I looked into it. Turbo was hitting the housing. I'll show you a video of that right now. And it was hitting the housing in here. See that? It's all chewed up. And it's got a lot of shaft play. So I looked into it deeper and I'm like, why did this happen? These turbos should last me a lifetime. That's why I got the Mx3, because they are supposed to last a lifetime. They're bulletproof, they make good power, and they're reasonably priced. So I looked really far into it, and basically the guy who set up my turbo, I told him, I'm like, set me up with the restrictor, set me up with the drain, everything that's needed. Since you're a dealer, you know what's needed. He gave me a restrictor, and the restrictor hole was too small. It was starving the turbo from oil the entire time I've had this build with the new turbo. So that is pretty well 3 years. So I've over time ruined my turbos, and right off the bat, it wasn't getting enough oil to the journals because it's a journal turbo. After I figured all that out, I put another one of my turbos on, which is the exact same, and I drilled out the restrictor, and immediately the car spools twice as quick. The same amount of boost levels, seems like it's making more power per boost. So basically what I'm saying is the car is much more responsive to throttle and power responsive per boost. So it's another animal all over again. Right from the get-go, I never understood why I was getting so much power lag, but this is definitely one of the reasons. So I got a new turbo on it. I've got a restrictor that's drilled out to 100 thou, and she's getting oil pressure that she needs now. Everything's good to go. So I'm gonna take it for another straight hit. I've done a couple with no filming because I've just been concentrating on healing. I'm gonna do another straight hit. I've done everything I could to get ready for the dyno, and this is the last thing. I put a bigger wastegate spring in, and it's gonna make more boost, and I wanna see what happens. While I'm waiting for next week to go to the dyno, I can adjust my tune for the boost levels I'm going to see. I want no surprises on the dyno, so I'm just going to see what it does, do some tuning this week, and then as soon as it's on the dyno, it should make great numbers, because it made a huge difference just with the new turbo and the oil restrictor. I don't even have a back bumper on right now, so this is super hot. So I'm just going to do a pull, bring it back, and then see what happened. Should come on boost way quicker because of the bigger spring and because of the new turbo. So I'm pretty pumped on this whole thing. Guys, it's gonna make more power here. Next week is going to be insane. I have no idea what it's going to make on the dyno. Post below in the comments what you think it's going to run. I think it's going to surprise me. I'm pretty damn excited. going to rip, guys. That felt so much more responsive and so much more power. Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna do one more pull and I'm on the way back. Gotta get this thing off the road. I'm gonna try and get it in the third right away and just floor it. Nothing. So I'm gonna check over those logs at home. This thing is just smiles per gallon. Yeah, boy. Alright guys, so I'm here looking at the tune and things are looking excellent. I got my histograms going, I've got my fuel table all figured and smooth. I'm definitely ready to see what this thing's gonna do. I think it's going to be awesome. Honestly, can't wait to get this thing ripping on the dyno. Find out what it actually makes. Tote for 400 or 500 horse on pump gas, and then on E85 like 550. That's my goal. That'd be so freaking sick. All right guys, we'll see you in the next one on the dyno. Like, comment, and subscribe.